We're making a banoffee pie today. It's no bake and easy and so delicious with bananas and caramel. I'm not sure exactly where banoffee pie comes from, but it's delicious. Dulce de leches layer on the bottom of a pie crust. You can use a regular flaky pie crust or a no-bake crust. And then it's topped with bananas and whipped cream. This is such an easy no-bake pie. It's epic.
I'm starting with 3 medium bananas. Now you want them ripe, not overripe. Like normally when you're baking with banana, you want like all the brown spots, but these should be ripe to like what you like to eat them as. Not really green, but just nice bright yellow. And then you're gonna layer the bananas on top of your crust, which is a no-bake graham cracker crust. It's my recipe, or you could use store-bought. I will link the recipe below. But it's just graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter. And then you're going to use a can of dulce de leche. So it's just 1 can of the dulce de leche. You can also make it from sweetened condensed milk using a crock pot. I have a recipe for that too, I will link. Just layer your bananas on top, and then you're gonna layer some fresh whipped cream, which I made with 1 1/4 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Just whip it until stiff peaks form. And then you're going to just top that pie with the whipped cream. It's so fluffy and delicious. Now, when it comes to the bananas, I used 3, like I said, but again, like if they're smaller, you might need more. So maybe buy a few extra just in case. Plus, if you like extra bananas, you could always add more. And then I'm just doing some chocolate shavings for the top. This is just like a semi-sweet baking bar that I kind of just shredded. You could use a Hershey bar too, and just sprinkling that on top. You could also use some sprinkles or mini chocolate chips, or just skip it.
Feel free to substitute whipped topping if you don't want to make fresh whipped cream. You could even use a store-bought pie crust if you want. This is one of the most delicious pies that you're ever going to make. I know you're going to love this as much as I did. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more no-bake pie recipes.